Hello guys, ayan, pauwi na kami. Just done gym and sauna. They close at 5, so the people finish, go home. Ayan, nandun yung aking kabiyak. Ayan. Let's go guys. Go home. Very comfortable. Doon ang aking kabiyak, oh. Doon ang aking kabiyak sa sasakyan. Ayan. Paka-supportive. Pinapaliguan pa ako niyan. Ayan, guys. Ayan, nandun siya, oh. Ayan ang aking love. Ang aking my life is my life. Ayan.